Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add effects to your picture on the InShot application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and click on the photo button within the Create New section. After that, tap on the picture that you would like to edit and click on the effect button down below, which is the fourth option. Here you can see the categories that you can choose from, such as glitch, split, retro true, and so on. So within these within your selected category, you will be able to find all of the available effects that you can apply to your picture. You can see how it looks like. You can also adjust the value on the slide above the selected effect. And when you are done, click on the check mark icon on the right side next to the categories, and then the effect will be applied to your picture as you can see it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.